Lane for the win. Y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Where y'all been at on this one?
9 miles an hour. Hodges had a little starting line advantage. That's all he took.
Is he gonna catch him? Oh, he did. Right lane. Oh, that was Casey, y'all.
Miles an hour, dead on that number. 053 reaction.
Golly, y'all. Casey got that thing down in, y'all.
Breakout run for Brian Day.
Hey, Casey got that thing down in, huh?
Yeah, it does, man.
You think he gonna win everything?
I don't know, that yellow car is about some bit.
That Yinko?
Yeah, the one with little
that Nova?
Yeah,
man. That's a Yinko, man.
Say,
you want to bet? Who you bet with Yinko, man?
I ain't betting, man. I'm a starter.
But I'm saying, I'm just saying, if you was a better man, you would be betting with him. Oh, that's who you think gonna win?
Dude, they're both consistent.
They both consistent. Well, I mean, somebody gotta lose, man. If they both get up there with each other, where you going? Where you going if they get up there with each other? You can't sit up there if they the finals and say, I ain't betting on the finals.
Nope.
He ain't betting on the finals, y'all. He ain't betting on the finals.
Can't believe you ain't out there motorcycle.
All right,
I had to come show my boys at XRP some love, man. XRP be letting me get in free. I ain't feel like paying. I'm trying to. Yeah, man. I be having to ask. I don't want to ask. I don't want to do no talking. I want it to be known. Hey, that's Lookout. He get in free. I ain't got to ask, call. They be having a call on the radio. It's Lookout Racing. We don't know who he is. 434. I be thinking, God damn. Then I got to wait on them to respond. We don't know Lookout Racing. God, ain't even nothing that I can do when they do that. Then I got to pay anyway. But when I pull in here, that lady already know me. Oh, that's Lookout Racing. He in free. You know.
Jeannie, man, of course she know you.
Jeannie already know.
Who don't know you? Who don't know Lookout?
I mean, they know me, but they be still. The other tracks know me, but they still want my $20. They like, he ain't doing nothing to get a free 20. But at least this track feel like I deserve a free 20. Yello Belly just started. I'm waiting on them to change on me. Be sound like, we're gonna let you in this time. I be thinking, what time y'all ain't gonna let me in? Cause that they barely started letting me in. It's wishy-washy. As I pull up to the gate, I'm wondering if I'm gonna pay. I'm wondering. I wonder how they feeling today. Is they gonna make me pay? But when I pull up in here, I feel like, yeah, it's you know what's up. Like, I feel like I got some power. I feel like I got some power. But I'ma see what it do. We on the last round. I got the man. Check this out. Mustang. They took it back to Louisiana to get the transmission fixed.
All right.
Yeah, man. Check it out. All right. I needed a tune. Damn, I'm gonna start it over from you. I put the supercharger on, right? Then I was like, man, that supercharger might not be enough because I had people that was upgrading, talking shit to me. So I was like, I need nitrous too. So I had to pay them to put the nitrous on, and then I had to pay them to put a tune on it. So while they was tuning, the transmission went out. I was like, damn. So I had to pay another dude to do the transmission. I had to pay them to pull it out. Then I had to pay another dude to do the transmission. Then I had to pay the dude to put it back in. Then I had to pay the tuner to tune it. So boom, he found the tune, everything going good. I like, yeah, man, you ready? I go down there and pick it up, drive a couple hours. I drive it back to Dallas. I made one pass. I ain't even go to second gear. I just dry hopped it. What? Okay, I was like, damn, this bitch ready. It feel good. I like it. I'm finna go back around and make a full pass this time. I tried to make a full pass. The transmission went back out. The transmission went back out. The transmission went back out, so I was live. Everybody like, who did it, man? We want to bash them. We want to talk shit about them. We want to do, they wanted to, you know how it is. I had a lot of people on live watching, and they ready to bash somebody and shut somebody's business down. So I ain't say nothing. I let it linger. And then they hit me up. They were like, hey, man, what happened? I was like, y'all seen the video. You seen it damn went out. So it went out. They were like, we're going to come pick it up. And we're going to come fix it. And whoop the whoop. So they came from out of town, picked up the car. And they done took it back down there to redo the train. They done took it back out. They got the dude working on the transmission. They probably done talked to him. Hey, man, you gonna have to do this dude transmission right, man. Because he be live. I was live. They were like, he be live. And, man, you gonna have to do this transmission right. Because we done told him, oh, it can hold 1,000 horsepower. And he ain't got 1,000 horsepower. So that's what the price is. Hey, dude, this thing can hold 1,000 horsepower, dude. And I don't got 1,000 horsepower. So that means it should be lasting. I was driving that car up here. Yeah. I ain't never been on no trail. I was driving it all the way up here, racing it, hot lapping it, doing whatever I want in it. So we trying to get it back to that level right now and see what's up. They taking a little bit. They taking their time now. They probably, man, ain't no telling what they doing now, bro. I had to envision that they had my car at a track testing it to make sure the transmission was going good. Man, hey! Me running my shit?
Making her own hit.
Yeah, they testing my shit. We're going to make sure it bumps second gear. Damn. Now I thought